In this video, we're going to show you to install exterior door handles on the Toyota Tundra located on your front doors. Now with the door jamb open, we're going to focus right here on this rubber grommet. We're going to use our trim tool. We want to go ahead and pop this off. Now inside this whole diagonal, there's going to be a T30 Torx bit screw. Now that screw is not going to come out. It's set up to be a capture screw so it won't fall out. Now what we can do is pop our handle off here. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver. There's a little retainer clip right here. We're going to pop this off. And as this comes out with the lock assembly, you can see it all attached on the back there. Next thing we want to do is going to grab the door handle and going to pull it towards you. Pivot that out. There's your handle. Take your new handle, insert the piece in like so, and swing that around. Slide this in. Push that into place. I'm going to make sure that our gasket on the lock side here remains. On our lock cylinder side here, we're going to flip this over. And right here is a little window. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver. Gently go in there, pry that open, and pop our cylinder out. It's going to pop out from the other side as well. And we're just going to swap this right over. Line that up. I'm going to insert those tabs first, and then just press this one down. Our lock cylinder is now swapped over. Go ahead and feed this in. Once that's in place, we can now tighten down the screw on the inside. I'm going to start the screw by hand first, and then we'll snug that down. Once it bottoms out, just give it about a quarter turn. Make sure that's good and tight. Go ahead and check the actuation of the handle. Install the rubber grommet. Now if you need to, repeat for the passenger side. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.